Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username on Gocardless account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your username on Gocardless, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in gocardless.com and make a search. The official page of Gocardless account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed options, tap on Login. Log into your Gocardless account using your login credentials and you will end up on the home page of Gocardless account. Click on little gear icon at the top right side of the screen. Tap on User Settings option. On the next page, edit your name and tap on Save Changes. This is how you can change your username on Gocardless account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.